had very non-tangible goals that I thought were actually goals, and what I learned today is that no, they were thoughts. I like the thought, like that you said multiple times, that your brain doesn't make that connection between, like I want $1 million, and you need to figure out how to get there, and then you make those connections. So bringing that back into being more specific about your goals, but also seeing that your goals need to be realistic and based off of data. So you need to have that information in order to kind of project and track and follow. So the metrics become really important, and that's one thing that I have not ever done, and I'm really excited to see how that kind of takes me forward. And then again, that what Blair mentioned too about the values, that your personal and work values should be similar, and the fact that like one of my action items is to formally write up my values and how they overlap with work, and have that on my desk as a reminder every day, because it's really powerful knowing that having that in mind is going to attract those like-minded people to you, and those are the people that I want to be able to do business with. They're the people I can relate with and that I can help with the most. So that was really cool.